welcome to another video, guys. It's your boy Alan. Before we get into anything, I hope you all had an amazing festive season. This is the first video that we're making in 2022. There was a lot going on. Festive season, December was really busy. It was really, it was all of that. And then also the starting of this year, I had a lot to do, some New Year's resolutions, what's the next movement, and all. That's why we've been posting in a while. But other than that, everything has been amazing. Trading has been well. On today's video, I'm just gonna focus on how to master forex. I know you're gonna see that with the title. How to master forex. What I would like to say before that is that, as you all know, they say forex is divided into two. They say 80% comes from your psychology and 20% can go to the technical when it comes to your strategy and how you trade. So I love to focus more on the psychology part, because without that, it's whatever you do cannot. But that's why you find sometimes some people that you see somebody trading, you see a certain strategy, they're trading a certain strategy, and you try to copy what they do, but it doesn't work for you, but it works for them. That's where the psychology comes in, because you don't really have the psychology that they have. You don't really have the mindset that they have when they're taking those trades, when they're analyzing, when they're executing SL, TP. You're not really in the same mindset as they are. So that's why it is important for you to actually focus more on the psychology part than actually the technicals, because that's also how I started. I realized I thought that my trading strategy wasn't really working, only to find out that I actually had to focus more on my mindset when I actually trade than actually my trading strategy. So when I did more of that, that's when I started to improve, in everything. So guys, that's what we're gonna focus on for today. How to master forex trading. I wouldn't say I master forex trading. I'm still learning myself. I'm actually still learning myself. I'm still doing some mistakes. I'm still correcting. There's always room to improve, So that's what I'm doing. But then this is just me sharing what I've learned so far. This is just me sharing my journey. You can also leave a comment in the description below, sharing your ideas, what you've learned throughout your trading journey. The most importantly is discipline. When you're trading, when you have a strategy, one thing that you need is you need to be disciplined. You need to be patient. You need to wait for setups. That's why most important to do that, you need a strategy that works. First, you need a strategy that works and focus on that. And then, for example, I'm a technical trader, right? I trade patterns, I trade trend line, trading strategy, I trade breakouts, So when I see that breakout, when I see that third bounce, I have to patiently wait for it to form before I can actually execute. So you need to be disciplined to make sure you always focus. You always, you always wait for that trading setup. Don't rush into it. Wait for that proper confirmation. So that's what mostly important, because I've always found myself where I would try to execute or try to trade before they actually form, before the confirmation actually forms, just to assume, because there it feels like gambling. Because if you haven't got the confirmation yet, it means like you're just hoping, which is like 50-50. It might happen, it might not, I know that's how it is, but then try as much to increase your chances of getting that trade, when you wait for the right confirmation, just to increase your probabilities. So that's what you need. Just focus, be disciplined, and always follow your trading plan. So you can have a working strategy, you can have a trading plan, but you need discipline. You need to be patient and follow exactly what you say you're gonna follow. Because I've also found myself in situations where I would analyze, right, and trade and write it down a trading plan. I'd write down a trading plan and then say, okay, this is how I'm gonna trade. This, when I say this, I'm gonna do this. I'll follow that. But then along the way, maybe I can catch myself in some winning trades or losing trades. It doesn't matter, winning or losing, and then I get over myself and I forget that I actually have a trading plan that I need to stick to, and end up taking trades, not following my trading plan just because I'm caught up in the moment. You know, I got a few wins, now I'm excited, I feel like I can do this, and don't look at my trading plan, or I'm losing, getting frustrated and start executing, you know. So that's where the problem is. Always make sure you follow your trading plan. If you say you're gonna catch 50 pips a day, stick to that plan. Catch 50 pips a day. Strategy has to adjust to 50 pips a day, and when you get that 50 pips, step out, try again tomorrow. 50 pips, try again. If you want to go higher, go 100 pips a day, you out. 100 pips a day, you out. Don't try to force yourself, you know, to just always follow your trading plan. Just follow your trading plan. That's the message here. That's the lesson of it. Like, just follow your trading plan. Be disciplined and be patient. And also FOMO, when it comes to FOMO, the reason why you might not follow your trading plan is because FOMO, fear of missing out. Maybe you see, let me just say NAS or one pair GBP USD. It's going, you see, like it's creating like some kind of a formation, maybe a double top, but you see that it's not really good for you to go in. You know, it doesn't really convince you. It's an uptrend, but though you see a double top, you're like, let me take it. What if I miss it? Not knowing that you're not following your, when you're in your trading plan, you say you're gonna, when you look at the trend and trade with the trend. No, so if it's a downtrend and you see double top, then you'll sell. And if it's an uptrend, you see that third bounce on the resistance, you will, or support, you will buy. So always follow that. Don't go with FOMO. Don't allow FOMO to get in your head. Feel like you're gonna miss out the trade. Feel like you're gonna miss the biggest trade. There's always trades are always forming every second. Patterns, they're always forming every second. So there's no way you're gonna miss anything. If you miss it, you're still gonna get another one that is better than that. And it's not like it's guaranteed that you're gonna get that trade. So always to make sure to follow your trading plan and be patient with your setups. And again, just focus on what works best for you. I recommend, because we live differently. Some people are actually still working while trading. Some people have more time to trade. Some people are doing other things and with trading. So always use a strategy that works best fit your personality or your life at the moment. Because I have time. I'm a full-time trader, so I day trade. You know, I have more time to be on the chart, so I'm always on the charts. So I day trade. I catch the small movements, 50 pips, 25 pips, you know, in and out, because I always check the market. So if you're working, you should consider swing trading, because you don't have time to constantly check the market every 30 minutes. So every hour, you can't do that because you're busy with something else. So stick with what you're doing. Analyze for the whole day, analyze for 2 days, knowing that, you know, you're gonna be busy for those days. So yeah, stick to what works best for you, not what works best for somebody else, because what works for somebody else may not work for you. So always stick to what works best for you, and yeah, be patient and be disciplined. So yeah, what I do, my routine, what I normally do, which I don't really follow it, I haven't been following as much lately. What I used to do, what actually helps me to focus on my discipline and be patient and my trading plan, is to, you know, wake up in the morning, early in the morning, exercise, meditate, have coffee. It actually helps your mind to be active early in the morning. Like your mind, after you're doing all that, your mind starts to be active. When you go hop into the charts, you're fresh, you're active. You do more things than normally. Because if I just wake up late and don't do those things that actually help me to focus more in the morning, as that's just like, I don't look at the chart. When I look at the charts, try to analyze, I don't really pay more attention, I end up losing focus. So do those things that really helps your mind be sharp, help you, help you focus more. So yeah, and also always have goals. Always have goals for your trading. Don't just trade just because you want to make money. Everybody wants to make money. Everybody wants to be rich, but then don't just trade just because you want to make money. Always have plans for your trades. For example, if you say you want, you have a target, a monthly goal that say, okay, you want to reach 50K a month. It doesn't matter how much it is. Always have plans for that money. For example, if you want a car, if you want a new phone, if you want a PlayStation, if you want a guitar, if you want anything else, always have plans, always making plans, always making goals for your trading. Make monthly goals, make weekly goals, quarterly goals, yearly goals. Always do that so that your trading can improve and you can see your progress, and just trading and just making money and just using it as you wish. You can, but then I highly recommend you have goals for your trading. The money that you make, put it all somewhere else. Buy something that you really want to. Always reward yourself with always reward yourself for your hard work. That actually improves you. Buy yourself some nice shoes, buy yourself that and all. It always improves you to actually do better. So yeah, that's it, guys. Make sure you like the video, and also subscribe and leave a comment down below. I really want to hear from you guys. This is just me sharing my trading journey, and with the guys, it's Nas Assassins too. We're just sharing our trading journey, and we also want to hear from you. We also want to learn from you what we can implement into our trading journey that will actually improve us, that also improved you, and also that can also improve us. So yeah, that's that, guys. Yeah, I hope everybody has a successful trading journey, and if you're watching this, thank you. And yeah, we're gonna be posting a lot, especially about the psychology behind trading. Also how we trade. We are really transparent, guys. On how we trade. We don't really hide. We don't really have the secret behind trading. If you look at our trading, if you look at our previous videos where we're analyzing, we just straight up forward. We don't hide anything. We literally just put our strategy out there for you guys. And also we're gonna be dropping a course. We're gonna drop a course, our very first course. We've been working on it lately, so we're gonna be dropping it maybe by March. It'll be fully out. So yeah, just for those who really wanna learn how to trade from the basics to advanced to how we trade. So that's that. Gonna be notifying you guys, and also gonna be dropping every single week on analysis, how we analyze, our point of view on especially NAS and a few pairs USDT also, and gold. So we're gonna be dropping weekly analysis. So yeah, I hope you're all having a good day. Peace.